Ever pondered about doubling your investments in just 5 years? Well, you're not alone. Each day, countless people invest their hard-earned cash, hoping for growth. But imagine if there was a way to speed up that process. A golden opportunity to make your money work harder and smarter. In the realm of investing, time is more than just money. It's the secret ingredient to your success. Imagine turning $10,000 into $20,000 in just 5 years. Sounds incredible, right? The secret to this financial wizardry lies in the power of compounding. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and growing larger as it descends. That's compounding in action. Your investment, much like the snowball, grows not just from the original amount, but also from the returns it earns over time. This consistent growth puts your money to work, turning your investment into a money-making machine. Through the magic of compounding, your money can grow faster than you ever thought possible. As the saying goes, the early bird catches the worm. The same applies to investing. Think about it. The sooner you begin, the longer your money has to sprout and grow. It's like planting a seed and watching it blossom into a money tree. But remember, every garden needs a good gardener, so don't go it alone. Seek professional advice to navigate the ever-changing landscapes of investment. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Start investing wisely and take control of your financial future. So there you have it, the secret to doubling your money in 5 years. It's all about the power of compounding, making your money work for you, and the magic of starting early. Now don't just sit there like a lemon. Get your money off the bench and into the game. If you've enjoyed this little financial revelation, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more wisdom nuggets. Thanks for watching, and here's to doubling your money in 5 years.